What's up guys? So for today's video, we're going to find what is Shopify Payouts. So let's define Shopify Payouts. It refers to the process by which Shopify transfers the funds from your online stores to your bank account. Here's how Shopify Payouts work and some important details to understand. So the first thing is payment gateway. When a customer makes a purchase on your Shopify store, the payment is processed through a payment gateway. Shopify supports various gateways including Shopify Payments, PayPal, Stripe, and others. The next is payment processing time. The time it takes for payments to be processed can vary depending on the payment gateway and your settings. Typically, it takes 2 to 7 business days for payments to be processed and sent to your bank account. Some gateways, like Shopify Payments, offer faster processing times. The next is payout schedule. Shopify provides a payout schedule that determines when funds from your sales are transferred to your bank account. You can configure this schedule in your Shopify settings. Common options including daily, weekly, or monthly payouts. The next is hold period. In some cases, there might be a hold period before you receive your payouts. This is a security measure to protect against fraudulent transactions. During this hold period, funds are kept in your Shopify account but are not yet available for withdrawal. Then, currency conversion. If you sell in multiple currencies, Shopify can automatically convert the funds to your store's primary currency before sending them to your bank account. Currency conversion rates and fees may apply in this. The next is payout report. You can track your payouts in the Shopify admin under the payments section. This report provides detailed information about each payout, including the date, amount, and associated orders. Next is bank account setup. To receive payouts, you need to set up a bank account in your Shopify payment settings. Ensure that you provide accurate bank account information to avoid payment issues. Payout fees. Shopify may charge fees for each payout depending on your plan and payment gateway. These fees can vary, so check Shopify's pricing and fee structure for the most up-to-date information. The next, refunds and chargebacks. If you issue refunds or face chargebacks, Shopify will deduct the refunded amount or chargeback amount from your next payout. This is to account for any discrepancies in your sales. Then, taxes and reporting. Be aware of tax regulations in your region and ensure that you are properly collecting and remitting taxes on your sales. Shopify provides reporting tools to help with tax compliance. Then reserves. In some cases, Shopify may place a reserve on your payouts, holding a percentage of your sales for a specified period. This is typically done if there are concerns about the risk associated with your business. And also remember that it's essential to stay informed about your payout schedule, payment gateway fees, and any applicable tax obligations to manage your Shopify store's finances effectively. You can also reach out to Shopify support or consult their documentation for specific information regarding payouts for your particular situation. So, if you found this video was helpful, then please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching this video and we'll see you next time. Peace.